Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox 7. Today I brought another wonderful products for you guys, and in this video we have DJI Osmo mobile phone stabilizer which captures amazing video like a pro. With Osmo DJI mobile phone stabilizer, you can get smooth and steady footage as well as dynamic angles. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do it right now and also turn on the notification icon for more updates. So I already opened the box and here we have the quick guide. This guide is enough to tell us all the important instruction before using this DJI Osmo mobile stabilizer. We are also getting a cute and perfect travel pouch to keep our gimbal in it while traveling, and there is also one charging cable comes in this box, which is Type-C charging cable. Let's put it aside. Next we have the tripod stand. Yes, it also comes with the mini tripod stand. This stand can also be mounted to any standard photography or video tripods. So I really like this small tripod because we do not have to keep another tripod with us. Okay, so next we have the mobile phone holder. This mobile phone holder is absolutely good in quality. It also compatible with most smartphones, and we also got the small pads that we can use in the mobile phone holder to keep our mobile phone edges safe from damage. So I really like these small pads. And next we have the stabilizer. This 3-axis stabilizer keeps the mobile phone steady for a flawless looking professional footage. We have lock and unlock feature here. This stabilizer looks very sleek in quality. There is also an app available on Play Store and App Store for it that lets you shoot, edit and share your content conveniently. That app also allows you to use all of the features regarding this Osmo DJI mobile phone stabilizer. So I'm gonna unlock this stabilizer and see how this stabilizer will look like. So when we unlock the stabilizer, it automatically turns the gimbal on. It already powers on and there's a power on light appears on it. Okay, so now install the magnetic mobile phone holder on it, and here is the final look of our DJI Osmo mobile phone stabilizer. There is an option available to use external microphone with this stabilizer. Let's install the small tripod with this as well. In my opinion, this gimbal is the best of best if you are a content creator or social media star, because it has everything that you need for shooting a video or making content from your mobile phone. Its active track 5.0 feature can track a subject such as person or any object or anything, keeps the shoot focused on it. Okay, so now attach the mobile phone with this mobile phone holder and then this holder to the stabilizer. Its magnetic feature is very heavy duty and lets the mobile phone connect to it firmly. So here we have the final look. I did not connect it to the mobile phone app, but still I can use it by pressing the rotation button, so it will automatically rotate my cell phone. And now let's see the extension rod. It also has the extension rod that gives you more dynamic angle, and this extension rod is great for selfies as well. In my opinion, this is very good stabilizer if you are shooting with your mobile phone, because it's really convenient and very handy to use it on the go. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.